Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your guy Paul. If it's your first time here, just consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video today I'm going to show you on how to convert files using the VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player will help you to convert the files without requiring other softwares that will cost you in terms of purchasing and editing the features. So if you have the VLC, just run it, and then this is the window. So at this point you're going to click on, let me just minimize this window so that you see the features clearly. Just a minute, just a moment guys, just a moment. So there you go. So guys, you click on media. So under media you have open file, open multiple files, open folder, open disk, you have open network stream, open capture, have open location from folder, from clipboard, open recent media, save playlist to file, then convert. So you want to convert. So guys, what you have to do, you click on convert, and then we proceed. So there you go, just click on convert. So you need to add the file at this point, and then you select, so the file is on the desktop. So before we do that, let me just play it a bit. This is the file. So guys, that's the file that you want to convert. Maybe it's music or any other features. Maybe you're having the AVI and want to convert to MP4. So you just see about that. So click on this icon over here, you add. So go to the location where the file is. So in my case, I'm adding it from the desktop. You must be very keen about this. So let me just click on that, then properties, and to know the capacity. So it's 624. So you must select the file clearly. So this is the file. So you click on the file, then you have file name, this is the Bandicom, then you have media files. At this point, when you click here, you see the type of the media files you're having. So then you click on open. So you've already added the file. Guys, if you have subtitles, maybe you click on use a subtitle file, then you add it there. You browse if you have one. So come under these convert, stock save. You click on that drop menu, then you click on save. So at this point you're having convert, display the output, you have the interlines, you have dump row input, destination, and destination file. So at this point you just click there, then select the one that suits you. Maybe if you want to convert it from video to audio, so you click on that, click on audio, then click at this point, then audio. So you convert it. So you click on MP3, then click on create. You must set a profile name. So about setting the profile name, maybe let's say just name it Paul. Just a minute. Name it Paul, then click on create. So this destination file. So you have to specify where your work will be saved. So I just want you to save it at the download, and the output name. So it will be the output name. Then click on save. So at this point you've already done the settings. So you want the VLC Media Player to proceed with its work. So click on start. Converting this file. So it depends the size of your file. That is the capacity, and this will contribute to the speed, the processing speed, of that. So the file is already converted. So what you have to do, just check on the downloads. So you click on the downloads and click on Paulo. It is now here. So it is not successfully converted, so let's just give it time. Keep existing file. So that's what you do. Okay, so guys, that's the easiest way of how to convert the files using the VLC. So if you have any question, just comment down below in the comment section. Again, I'll just play this. That's the output from this video. So that's the easiest way to convert from to MP4 to MP3 using the VLC media player. So guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just comment down below in the comment section.